Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here for sale a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with supporting rooms, garage, helpers quarters, which is separate and located on half acre or approximately 21,031 square feet of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is US $330,000 or Jamaican $50.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.